Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to like these connections, I believe mobile hotspot and tethering, and here you can find this hotspot. So here you can enable it, here you can change its name, here you can change its password, here you can change its AP band, here you can change its security protocol, you can also change its broadcast channel, and like you can set up timeout for it, you can set your hotspot to be hidden and stuff. You can also see connected devices here, and you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. So yeah, and you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar after you enabled it at least once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.